Alright gang, we're going to find the derivative of this guy by the limit process. So remember, the first thing you have to do is create f of x plus h. So where there's the x, it gets replaced with x plus h. And then you plug it into the formula that I showed you in lecture. So it's f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now, when you have this rational function, you're going to have to multiply by the conjugate, because if you notice, if you take the limit here, if you let h go to 0, you're going to have 0 over 0, or an indeterminate form. So it's not possible to take the limit right now in this form. So what you have to do is you have to multiply the conjugate, which was one of the techniques you learned for limits. Alright, so now I'm going to FOIL. The middle term will cancel when I FOIL. So this times this becomes this. This times this will be one of the middle terms, which will be radical x plus h, but then you'll have a minus radical x plus h. So those middle terms will cancel, so you just have the outer ones left. So then this times this, just watch that it's negative here. So it comes out as negative x. Alright, now you're going to combine like terms, so you'll do the x minus the x. Alright, now the function will reduce, so this will reduce with this. Right, now you're going to go ahead and try to take the limit again. So I'm going to let h go to 0. So this is just going to become radical x plus radical x. Make sure you do this correctly. You guys learned this in algebra, but make sure you do it correctly. It's 1 radical x plus 1 radical x, which would be 2 radical x. Right, it's like 1 strawberry plus 1 strawberry is 2 strawberries. Alright, that's a derivative. Now we're going to create the tangent line at the point 1, 1. So let me first draw the graph. Alright, there's our square root function. Here's the point 1, 1. And we're going to create the tangent line. We're going to find the tangent line that touches right there at that point. So remember, the first thing you have to do is find the slope at for this tangent line. So to do that, you have to plug in the x value at the point you're looking at. Alright, so we get the slope is 1/2. So now we're almost there. The last thing we have to find now is b. So to find b, we have to plug in y, m, and x. So y is 1, m is 1/2, x is 1, and b is what we're looking for. Alright, so we're just going to subtract 1/2 to the other side. So b is going to equal to 1/2. Alright, so final answer will be y equals to 1/2 x plus 1/2, because b also came out as 1/2. Alright, gang, that is it. Hope that helped. Catch you.